We are King Locksmith and Doors Company, your local locksmith in Washington, D.C. We offer full locksmith services within Washington, D.C. and surrounding area. Some of our services include automotive, residential, commercial, safe cracking, door installation and repair. We offer quick and reliable response time with unbeatable pricing. King Locksmith and Doors of Washington, D.C. provides services for all emergency lockouts, lock change, door installation, rekeying, etc. We are your best choice when it comes to any locks or doors issues. This is why our customers love our work so much. Call King Locksmith and Door today to get a free consultation on any future service. We are here for you at all time. So what you waiting for? Visit our site today. KingLocksmiths.com